Welcome to ClearTask. If you are getting the authorization failed error on MetaTrader 5, you are not alone. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix it quickly. First, open your MetaTrader 5 app. The most common reason for this error is a simple typo. Double-check your account number and your password. More importantly, make sure you have selected the exact server provided by your broker. Even a small difference in the server name will cause the authorization to fail. Next, if your details are absolutely correct but the error persists, your app might be outdated. Head over to your app store, search for MetaTrader 5, and see if an update is available. Installing the latest version ensures full compatibility with the broker's servers. If you are still having trouble, let's reset the app's data. On your phone, press and hold the MetaTrader 5 icon and select App Info. Navigate to Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes any corrupted temporary files that might be blocking your login. Just remember, you will need to re-enter your login details after doing this. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or fluctuating Wi-Fi or mobile data signal can easily interrupt the connection to the trading servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. That should do it. Your MetaTrader 5 should now be fully connected and ready for trading. If this quick fix helped you, please leave a like, subscribe for more fast tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.